Okay, we're going to go through the score sheet for the FMS that we did with Rachel. And we're going to just take you through what the raw score and the final score means and how to record them properly. Okay, so if we look at Rachel's deep squat, we gave her 2 because she needed the heel raise, but she got all the way down. And we look at the hurdle step, she had a 2 and a 2 because she didn't maintain complete alignment with ankle, knee and hip. Then we gave her a 3 and a 3 on the inline lunge, and a 3 and a 3 on her shoulder mobility. Okay, no pain on the clearing test on both sides for her shoulders, and the active leg raise was a 3 and a 3. Trunk stability push up was a 2 because she needed the modified hand position, and the press up clearing test gave no pain. Okay, rotary stability was a 2 and a 2 because she didn't move the limbs on both sides. She needed the modified opposite side approach, and then no pain on the rock back test either. Okay, so you can work out the total there if you want, but the key is the final score. That's the one that we can use in her notes or the physical notes, that kind of thing. So the way to find out the final score, really straightforward, just move across the lowest score from the raw score. Okay, so 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 2 and 2. Now the only thing to note here is that Rachel didn't have any asymmetries. Okay, so if you do have an asymmetry, say for instance on the inline lunge we had a 3 and a 1, the 1 is what would get moved across into the final score. Okay, so that's what we just have to remember, is that it's always the lowest score that gets moved across, especially with respect to the unilateral tests that we do. Okay, so then you just add up the final score. So we got 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, so cool, we've got a good score of 17 on there. And that means that she's above that red line of score of 14 or below, which would mean her movement needs a little bit of modification and tweaking. Apart from that, there's no other red flags being any scores of 0s or a 1. So we're pretty much good to go, and we can just basically set her program on her current fitness level rather than worrying too much about how well she moves or not. Okay?